Good evening. Welcome to the forecast discussion for May 1st, 2014. It's currently 6:25 p.m. It is absolutely beautiful out there, especially compared to what we saw yesterday with torrential rainfall and flash flooding, producing rainfall amounts anywhere from 3 to 6 inches throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. But this evening, we have scattered cloud cover. We still are dealing with a few isolated showers that I'll show in just a moment as the cold front approaches the region. But temperatures right now are in the lower to mid 70s in the New York City metropolitan area, mid 60s over Long Island, mid to upper 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, and some locations even touched 80 degrees this afternoon as that warm tropical air mass has invaded the region. Don't get used to it though, but at the same time, it's not going to be all that bad as we move on through this upcoming weekend, with temperatures pretty much near normal and tranquil weather conditions expected. So I think you can see where the cold front is approaching here. The winds are veering to the west over eastern central Pennsylvania. They're from the southwest and south over New Jersey. What's going to happen is that this cold front is going to move through. Our temperatures are going to fall. We'll still be dealing with a few isolated showers here and there. Temperatures are going to fall into the upper 40s to lower 50s by tomorrow morning. On the radar, you can clearly see a few isolated showers here and there. Not anything severe in nature, but capable of producing a brief heavy downpour for about 15 to 30 minutes as they lift from southeastern Pennsylvania towards the Hudson River Valley this evening. For the most part, expect dry conditions, but these isolated showers will produce that 15 to 30 minute burst of heavy rain before exiting as our cold front moves through. On the infrared satellite picture, well, the cold front is moving off the coast. We have another wave of moisture that's developing over the southeast, but that's going to remain off the coast. And you can see our large, cold, upper level low is rotating slowly to the east towards the St. Lawrence River Valley, pushing this cold front off the coast and also transporting much drier air into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. On the infrared, should I say, the water vapor satellite picture, I like to use this to kind of look at the entire weather pattern overall. And what I'm basically seeing here is that we have a nice strong upper level low in the Gulf of Alaska here that's starting to retrograde back towards the Aleutian Islands. So what this generally will lead to is a zonal pattern through the weekend, followed by a trough by the time we get towards the end of next week as this upper level low locks in around the Aleutian Islands, builds up a ridge on the west coast, and produces a nice deep trough over the eastern United States. And that means rainfall is coming back, but not till the middle to end of next week. So that means this weekend is going to be very nice. Very nice indeed. So what we have here is the GFS model guidance. We could have used the European or the Canadian, but really they're all pretty much saying the same thing. For this evening, a few isolated showers remain a threat, possibly even a very rare isolated thunderstorm. Other than that, scattered cloud cover as dry air builds in, temperatures falling into the upper 40s to lower 50s for lows by tomorrow morning. For tomorrow afternoon, scattered cloud cover expected and isolated showers possible but not likely. Temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s for highs in the afternoon. Pretty much near normal for this time of year. So if you're in New York City or Philadelphia, basically prepare for high temperatures right around 70 degrees. For Saturday, high pressure remains in control. Now again, we're going to have these disturbances passing to our north that are going to ride around this upper level low. So you'll see these disturbances separated from the subtropical jet stream down here where all the moisture is located. You can see that right here. Okay, so these disturbances are going to move along the northern tier, remain rather weak, keep the threat for an isolated shower in play for Saturday, for Sunday, for Monday, for Tuesday, you get the point, Wednesday as well. So overall, tranquil, but an isolated shower here and there is possible in the afternoon. Temperatures throughout the entire period, upper 40s to lower 50s for lows, a few mid 40s over the interior. High temperatures, mid to upper 60s right along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s everywhere else. Tranquil, quiet weather conditions can be expected. Then, towards the end of the week, we start to see more of an interaction with the subtropical jet stream and the polar jet stream, leading to a very impressive area of low pressure starting to develop over the plains And once again, our warm front stalling over the northern mid-Atlantic with high pressure locking in around the Canadian Maritimes. We've seen this game before. We just got done playing it, and it looks like it's going to be coming back with a strong disturbance with the subtropical jet stream lifting out of the plains and towards the northern mid-Atlantic, towards the Great Lakes. Meanwhile, we have a block over the northern Atlantic, keeping that high pressure locked in around Maine, forcing cooler air down the east coast and interacting with the warmer air coming up the east coast from the Mississippi River Valley and the Gulf Coast, leading to periods of heavy rain for Thursday. And that means temperatures stuck in the upper 60s to lower 70s and periods of heavy rain, unfortunately, starting on Thursday and continuing on through next weekend. But let's enjoy this weekend while we have it. So that's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.